Hi friends, are you a freelancer struggling to get hired or attract new clients? A beautiful portfolio website could be the game changer you need. Your portfolio is your digital showcase essential for presenting your best work, building credibility, and highlighting your skills and achievements in a professional, easily accessible way. In fact, a great portfolio can increase your chances of getting hired by up to 5 times. In this video, we'll learn how to create an awesome portfolio website that stands out. In the About main section, you can showcase your name, location, and biography. You can also display your recent work history, including years of experience, the number of projects completed, and the number of successful meetings. In the My Services section, you can list all the services you provide. You can also add your YouTube videos. The Fun Facts section allows you to highlight the number of happy clients, years of experience, awards won, and meetings conducted. The Pricing Plan section beautifully displays your service pricing and packages. You can showcase your client testimonials using a carousel. You can display the logos of the clients you've worked with. In the Resume menu, you can highlight your work history and showcase your skills across different criteria. The Education section is where you can share your educational background. You'll have a stunning portfolio section to display your recent projects with filterable categories, allowing users to filter your projects by category. On the single portfolio page, you can share project insights with images and visuals. Additionally, you'll have a beautifully designed, SEO-friendly blog where you can write articles, share them online, and attract organic traffic and clients. On the Contact main page, you can include a well-designed contact form, display your contact information, and provide links to your social media profiles. The Appointment page allows you to show your availability by date and time, along with a user-friendly appointment booking form. If you need a professional portfolio website, I highly recommend this script for building your portfolio. Welcome to our portfolio website admin panel, where you can manage every aspect of your site. When you access your admin dashboard, you'll see your website statistics, such as views, services, clients, projects, blog posts, testimonials, and skills. In the Edit Profile section, you can update your admin login credentials. Under the Setting menu, you can change your portfolio's language and direction. Adjust your website's primary color. Switch between dark and light modes, and update the website title, Webmaster Email, favicon, About Main Page and Contact Form image. In General Settings, you can control which sections or widgets are displayed or hidden on the website. In the API Keys section, you can update your Google Map API, Google Analytics ID, Google reCAPTCHA key, and more. Under SEO, you can update your website's SEO information, such as meta keywords, meta descriptions, and more. In the About main menu, you can update your name, profile picture, biography, your positions, and other details. In the Contact Information section, you can update your contact details including address, location, phone number, and email. The Statistics section allows you to update information about your projects, meetings, happy clients, awards won, and experience. In the Social Links section, you can update your social media profile links. The Services menu lets you manage your existing services and add new ones. In the Pricing Plans menu, you can manage your existing packages and add new ones. The Education menu allows you to manage your educational background or add new entries. In the Experience menu, you can share and manage your previous work experience and add new experiences. The Project Categories section allows you to manage and add new categories for your projects. In the Projects section, you can manage your projects and add new ones. The Blog Categories section lets you manage your blog categories and add new ones. In the Blog section, you can manage your blog posts and add new ones. The Skills Categories section allows you to manage and create new skill categories. In the Skills section, you can manage skills and create new ones, assigning them to the appropriate categories. The Testimonials menu lets you manage and create testimonials. In the Clients section, you can manage and add new clients by their name and logo. The Messages menu allows you to check all messages sent through the contact form. In the Appointments menu, you can update your availability time. In the Requested Appointments section, you can see all appointment bookings made by clients. We will use Mulan Resume CVCMS to build our awesome portfolio website. It's only a one-time payment of $15. Once you make the purchase, you'll receive a zip file containing the source code. You'll need web hosting to deploy the script and run your website. Web hosting is essential for running your site. Go to lovenwp.com/hostinger for affordable and reliable hosting, plus a free domain name. Hostinger is one of the most popular web hosting providers, offering a beginner-friendly custom control panel, 99.99% uptime, and excellent customer support. Choose the hosting plan that suits your needs to launch your website. Compare the features among these three plans and choose the right one. I recommend the business plan for most users. However, if you need more dedicated resources, you can upgrade to their VPS or cloud hosting plans. Once you purchase hosting, log in to your control panel. Hostinger's control panel is beautifully and cleanly designed, making it very easy to navigate, even for beginners or non-techies. Go to the File Manager and upload the script zip file to your public_HTML folder. Then, extract the zip file and move all the files into the public_HTML folder. Now we have download the database.sql file and need to create a new database from Hostinger cPanel and import this database file into the newly created database. go back to Hosting or cPanel and create a new database by providing a database name, username, and password. Then, access the Database Admin panel by clicking on PHP Admin. In PHP Admin, go to Import, select the database file, and click Import to import the database. Now our database is successfully imported. Now we need to define the database details from our database file. Go back to the File Manager, navigate to the public_HTML folder, then go to Application, then Config, and find the database.php file. Double-click to edit it. Simply copy and paste the database name, database username, and password, following along with me. Click Save. The script installation is completed. Now access your domain name to see your awesome website. Go to yourdomain.com/admin and log in using the email admin@admin.com and the password 123456. Go to Edit Profile and update your admin login details. You can control your entire website using this powerful admin panel. Do you have a project in mind? Contact us. We provide affordable web development solutions for small to medium-sized businesses. Reach out today and get a free quote.